First, download the Microsoft Edge browser on your Mac or PC. If you're using a Windows PC, Edge is already installed by default. If not, use the official link to download the latest version. Sign in to your Microsoft account in the browser and follow these steps. In the browser, click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Settings. Select Passwords and Autofill, then choose Microsoft Password Manager. Next to the password you want to view or edit, click the right arrow. Note: for verification and security purposes, you may need to enter your device PIN or system password. To view the current password, click the eye icon. To change the password, click Edit, make your changes, then click Save. To export all saved login details as a CSV file, click the three dots and select Export. That's it. You can use this file to restore passwords on another platform, such as a password manager app or browser, on any device like an iPhone, Android phone, or more. Please like this video to support me. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.